Namaskar. Welcome back to Yoga Fitness with Priyanka Sharma. Today we are going to learn the third sitting posture, Paschimottanasana. So let's get started. Paschimottanasana. Paschim literally means the west. It implies the back of the whole body from the head to the heels. In this asana, the back of the whole body is intensely stretched, hence the name. So the technique for Paschimottanasana is sit on the floor with legs stretched. Place the palms by your side. Take a few deep breaths. Exhale, extend the hands and catch the toes. Holding the right big toe with your right palm and left big toe with your left first two finger and your thumb. Extend the spine and try to keep the back concave. To start with, the back will be like a hump. You may experience that. This is due to stretching the spine. But then you have to keep moving it, bend right from the pelvic region of the back, and also to extend the arms from the shoulders. So slowly you will see your hump will disappear and your back will become flat. And take few deep breaths. Inhale and now exhale, bend your elbows. Pull the trunk forward and touch the foreheads to your knees. So you go down very slowly, vertebrae by vertebrae, you will reach down. Gradually rest the elbows on the floor, stretch the neck, trunk, touch the knees with the nose, and then with your lips you can stay there for a few deep breaths. The remember points for this asana is, do not force to reach the final position on very first day if it is found difficult. Know your limitations, try to listen to your body while bending forward. Never fold your legs at the knees whether you can bend forward or not. The benefits and limitations for this asana, it strengthens the abdominal muscles. Those who are suffering from chronic constipation should not practice it for more than 3 minutes daily. Those who are suffering from ulcer in abdomen should not practice it. So for any asana, benefits and limitations are very important to understand. So this is how you practice Paschimottanasana and come back to your original position. The key word to understand is your spine should be always erect. Second keyword is you always bend from your pelvic region. That's why my spine is slant. The third thing is your kneecap should be pressed down on the floor firmly. Then the alternate posture for those who cannot achieve this, you can use the blocks or a bunch of books to place your forearm on the top of the blocks or the books, and then you lean forward. So this is the practice of Paschimottanasana. Thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe, like and comment below. Did you check my previous video of this series? Then go check it out. Thank you. Stay blessed.